Hello friends, loving Sairams to you all. Welcome to my channel Learning, Continuous Learning and Lifelong Learning. In this video, we are going to learn what is isometric drawing, what is isometric planes and angles, then what are the isometric tools available in CAD, then we will develop one sample isometric drawing, that is steps, and finally we will apply the isometric dimension. Okay friends, now what are isometric drawings? Isometric drawings are also called isometric projections as they are three-dimensional graphical representation. They are not 3D drawings, they are 2D drawings. Okay, in 2D drawings x and y axis are used, and in 3D drawings x, y and z axis are used. Okay friends, we learned that isometric drawings are 2D drawings only and they are not 3D drawings. Okay friends, now we will learn isometric planes and angles. There are three planes in isometric. One is right plane, second is left plane and third is top plane. As here the right planes belongs the angle 30 degree and 90 degree, and the top planes it is 30 degree and 150 degree, and the left plane 90 degree and 150 degree. So now let us see, suppose if you want to draw this plane, the green and blue plane, okay, this 30 degree, now here it is 30 degree, and the second line here vertical, that is 90 degree, therefore it is 30 degree and 90 degree. Suppose if you want to draw the top plane, okay, yellow, which I have shown here in yellow, so that is 30 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 150 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 150 degree. If you draw the lines by using 30 degree and again it is 150 degree, 30 degree and 150 degree. So 30 degree and 150 degree. Similarly, the left plane. Now here to draw the left plane, which I shown here white, okay, 90 degree. This is 90 degree and this is 150 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 150 degree. Again, let me repeat. In blue, it is the right plane. This is 30 degree here, and this is 90 degree here. Again, this is 30 degree and this is 90 degree. So the right plane completes. Top plane, it is 30 degree and this is 150 degree. Again this is 30 degree and this is 150 degree. So top plane is completed. Here it is in case of the left plane, here 90 degree and it is 150 degree. This is 90 degree and 150 degree. So 90 degree, 150 degree, 90 degree, 150 degree. So the left plane completes. Okay friends, now let us study what are the different tools are available in CAD to develop the isometric drawings. Here we have three methods. Okay, so in first method you can type ds, okay, type ds and press enter, okay, and under snap and grid select isometric snap. There will be a rectangular snap, you select isometric snap and click ok. This is first method. Okay, second method is you directly type snap style and type 1. Okay, normally it will be 0 for normal style, and for snap style you choose 1 and press enter. The second method. Third method is you can isometric tools directly from the screen here. Okay, here you will see, look at this here, this is the isometric drafting on off. Okay, if you just click it here, now it will turn to isometric style. Okay, and also you can open this window, you will see these three planes here, isometric isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right. If you again click it over here, it will turn off the isometric condition, and now it will be normal condition. Okay, this is normal. You can just directly click here. Whichever method suits you, you can choose it. First method is you can type ds. I will show you. I will type ds and press enter. Okay, you will hear this is drafting setting. Look at here now. In snap and grid, you have snap type, so it is a rectangular snap, it is for normal. Don't make any settings in rest of the menus, rest of these any choices and all. So just click it here, isometric snap, and click ok. So it will change to isometric conditions. Okay, again you can go to the again type ds enter. If you don't want this isometric snap, you can go to rectangular snap, say ok. So this is choice 1. Okay, this first type. Second, you can directly type snap style. You can type SNAP STYL. Here you will get this. You don't need to type completely. Snap style. You can choose this. Okay, and you see the condition here. For normal, it is 0. If you type 1, okay, type 1 and enter. So now it is isometric conditions. Okay, this is isometric. This is the second method. And third method, as I shown to you, that is, you can directly click here, isometric drafting. Again you click here, normal, click here, isometric drafting. Okay friends, now let us develop isometric drawings of this orthographic projection. Now look at this orthographic projection. This drawing, this is the plane of the orthographic projection, and this is the elevation, that is front view of the projection. Now what you can understand from these two projection, that is, these are the steps. Okay, this is step number 1, this is second step, and this is third step. So please try to understand this is the step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. This is the plane on from top view, plane in the sense top view. Okay, if you look at from the top side, so you will get these views. Okay, this is, see, this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. If you look it from top, you will get this view, and if you look at from the front, you will get this view. This is the front view and this is the top view. Try to understand this. It is often said drawing is the language of engineers. So this is the first step, this is the second step, third step. On elevation or the front view is the first step, second step, third step. Now let us analysis from the dimension point of view. The first step width is 60. Okay, length is 60. The first step length is 60 and width is 30. Width is 30. This is the first step. Please remember, you get length and width from top view. You get length and width from top view, and the height from, okay, height from front view, height from front view and side view. Always you get length and breadth. Okay, length and breadth from top view and height from front view. So this is the top view. Okay, this is the top view, and length is 60 and width is 30 of first step number 1. Now let us see the step number 2. What is the length? This is 60 minus this projection is 7.5. It is given here 7.5 and 7.5. 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15. So 60 minus 15 is 45. So length is 45 and the width is how much? 15 plus 7.5, that is 22.5. So this is 45 by 22.5 and the height is 12. This is the second step, height is 12. And the third step, you don't need to calculate, it is given here 30. You can also calculate. See here 7.5, 7.5 is 15, 7.5, 7.5, 15. So 15 plus 15 is 30, 60 minus 30 is 30. So 30 is the length, and what is the width? It is 15 here. Okay, width is 15. So 30 by 15. And what is the height? What is the height here? That is 12. Now you got some idea of these steps. So these are steps. This is the top view, this is the front view. So from here, the longest step, that is first step, 60 by 30, 45 by 22.5, 30 by 15. So there are 3 steps are there. So we will develop this drawing. You have to get idea, and you must get that 3-dimensional view in front of your eyes. Okay, you must get a vision of this drawing. Then you start preparing drawing. So let us make it easy. Don't worry, it's very easy actually. Let us develop now. In order to draw this isometric drawing, now what you do? Look at this view here. Look at this icon here. This is the isometric drawing. If you don't have this isometric drawing in your screen, you can type directly snap style. You can type snap style and type 1, or you can type DS and then you select the isometric snap. So here let me now click here on this isometric drawing. Okay, yeah, now you see isometric style. The cursor is converted into isometric style. So I will select the line command here. I select the line command, and please see that is your ortho is on. Okay, the ortho mode is on, or you can press by F8. This is on. Okay, now you just select one point and you draw here, okay, you draw here 60. Now you have drawn 60. Now you can draw perpendicular. See, now perpendicular. What is perpendicular means? Height. What is height here? 12. Now back to 60, and you can just click it on. See here, the top side is ready, this side ready. And what is the width? Select line command. You want to draw the width now. What is the width? Width you can't draw. So you want to draw the width. What you can do? You can type. You can press F5. In my computer it is Control F5. In your system it may be Control F5 or directly F5. Okay, Control F5. Now the chip plane is changed. Alternately you can change from here also. You can change the plane. Okay. So here, look at here now. The plane has changed, and now I can draw. So this side is, that is width, that is 30. Enter. So what is the height? Okay, you can't draw the height now. No problem. We can again see this side. Okay. Actually this is not required. Now let me see. Okay, you change the plane, no problem. Control F5, change the plane. Height is 12. Enter. Now we can come back and click it here. Okay. Now let me see. Repeat this. This is 30, and you can click it here. No problem. Your first step is ready. Okay. Any unwanted lines will delete at the end. The first step is ready. That is, from here to here it is 60, from here to here it is 30. Now let me draw the second step. What is the second step size? That is 45 by 22.5. Now second step start from here, not from here. We start from here back. Okay, that is 45. Sorry. Now let us draw the second step. See the second step here. This is the second step on plan. This is the second step. Okay, the length is 45 and the width is 22.5. The length is 45 and the width is 22.5. So 45 by 22.5 and the height is 12. Okay. Now here this second step at the center of this. Okay, and here this is a common line. Here it is a common line. Okay, you have the second step here on this. There is a step will be created over here. So, and that too at the center, because this step is at the center of this. Correct? So let us draw it now. I select line command. Now you just scroll on this line and you will get the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Okay. If you don't get midpoint, then you go to DS and then you select the, if you don't get midpoint, what you do, type DS. Okay, and you now here select object snap and click here end point. Okay, see that is, this is checked. Okay, right, now select line command and just scroll over this line and you will get this midpoint. This is the midpoint. You click here. So this is total length is 45, and half length you come this side, half length you go that's other side. So half of the 45 is 22.5. Enter. Sorry, you need to change planes. Just scroll it here. From here, see you can't draw it here. You can't draw it here because you need to change the plane. So I'll just type Control F5. You can draw it now. Let's see. You come here, half of the 45, 22.5. Okay, here. Okay, again you change the your isometric plane. Control F5. This side is, it is 22.5. Okay, now go back to how much? It is 45, and you click on this. This side is, just click on this line. It is 22.5 and enter. Okay, now we will give the height. Height is 12.5. Obviously, you just type again Control F5. Height is 22. Sorry, not 22, 12. Height is 12, enter. Okay, again your control F5, length is 45, height is, you can just click it here. Okay, again you click it here. Width is, you change control F5, width is 22.5, length is 45, and just click it here. And now you just click the point here, and no need to worry about it, your planes. So your second step is ready. Okay, your second step is ready. This line will be deleted, or you can delete if you want now also, you can, no problem. Second step is now the third step. Okay, please see that is, this face is common, this face here in this sketch, this face is common, so it has to be common. The third step size is 30 by, okay, 30 by 15. Here, look at here, the third step, this one, from here to here it is 30, and from here to here is 15. Now similarly you can correct, select line command, from here, from the center point, it is 15, this side is 15. Okay, now this length, you can select this length, it is 15. Okay, now the length is total 30, back to it is 15. Okay, from midpoint you draw the half of the 30, that is 15. Now you create the height for this. Okay, how to, in order to draw the height, you can go for, change the plane, isometric plane by control F5. Height is 12. Okay, now this width, see it is showing the width is 15. Again showing the height, you can, no problem, you can click it here. Now you can click here, change the plane, control F5, the length is 30, click the height, no problem. Again you click it here, change the plane, F5, control F5, and this width is again 15, click it here. Now just select this line, click it here and click it here, all right click. So all steps are drawn. Now we will delete the only unwanted lines. Let me delete this line. Okay, now select this trim command and we'll select, click it here, right click, and we'll delete this line. Okay, fine. Now we'll trim command, select this point, right click, and delete this line. Okay, we delete this line, then we click this trim command, select this border, and now we delete this. Similarly, trim command, right click, and here so double line is there. Now you trim command, you click here, right click, and you delete this line. Okay, now again repeat this, click here, right click, delete this line. This line is not seen at all in your this. Yes. Any other line is left over here? I don't think so. So this complete this step drawing. Okay, happy to see this drawing. Okay, this is the isometric drawing of this drawing, from this 2D orthographic to isometric drawing. Okay friends, we reached to the last stage of this drawing, that is applying dimensioning. So applying dimensions for isometric drawings and applying dimensions for orthographic drawings is totally different. Here we have to use, okay, here we have to use aligned style, and now you just click at this corner and you just click at this corner and drag it for some distance. Similarly, again you click at aligned, click it here and click it here and you just click it here. Similarly, you click it here and you click it here, click here. This is the step 1. Okay, this is the step 1. Now what you do it is, you have two options. One, you can go to the annotate dimension and you select the oblique. This is oblique. Annotate. Okay, how do you go that? Annotate, here annotate dimension and select oblique. This is one option. Alternatively, what you can do, you can type dim edit. Okay, dim edit. Here you have home, new, rotate, oblique. Both are same. Okay, dim edit and you select the fourth option, oblique. Okay, or you can go to the annotate, go to dimension and select this oblique. Okay, now this oblique. Now click on this. Say for example, if you want to oblique for this dimension, you click on this 60, right click. Now this 60 should be in parallel to these lines, okay. This 60 is parallel to this line. In other words, this line is parallel to this line. So you click it here and you click it here. Now look at this 60, correct. So similarly, again you go to the annotate dimension, oblique, you click on this 30, right click. Now this line, this particular line should be in line with this line, To make it very simple, click here and you click here. Look at this 30. Similarly, now 12, go to the dimension, select oblique, click on this 12, right click. Now here this line should be in line with these two lines. This line should be parallel to this line, in line with this line, and this line should be in line with this line. So you click here and you click here. Now see here, all dimensions are properly applied. Okay, you can apply the dimension for other side also.